Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast, dears? Yes. Shall we start today's session? Today we are going to see the continuation of last class. Last class we see Unit 4 Atmosphere, right? What we studied in this lesson? Biosphere. What is biosphere? It is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Okay. Then what is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years is called climate. Okay, this one is a first question. Next one, second question. Second question, name the atmospheric layers. Name the atmospheric layers. Page number 173. Here the atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. What are the atmospheric layers? The atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere, T-R-O-P-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, troposphere. In the end you have sphere. Okay, every layers have sphere at its end. Okay, sphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Stratosphere, S-T-R-A-T-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, stratosphere. Next one, mesosphere, M-E-S-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, mesosphere. Next one, thermosphere, T-H-E-R-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, thermosphere. Exosphere, E-X-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, exosphere. These 5 layers are the atmospheric layers. What are the atmospheric layers? Or name the atmospheric layers. The atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Is called atmospheric layers. Okay, the word climate is derived from the Greek word called clima. Next one, third question, write a short note on the nimbus clouds. Write a short note on nimbus clouds. We studied yesterday. Nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. How it looks? It is dark and grey in color. It is called nimbus cloud. It is called nimbus cloud. N-I-M-B-U-S, nimbus. N-I-M-B-U-S, nimbus. Nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It gives heavy rainfall. Write a short note on nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It gives heavy rainfall. It is called vertical or rain cloud. It is called vertical or rain clouds. Okay. It is only a 2-mark question. You may write these 4 lines also. Okay. Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It is called vertical or rain clouds. Okay. Next, let's see. Last class we see about rainfall. What is rainfall? Condensation of the water vapor causes rainfall. Rainwater must be saved and not be wasted. It should not be wasted. Okay. Next one. Convectional rainfall. What is convectional rainfall? Con, C-O-N, con. V-E-C, vec, shan, T-I-O-N-A-L, convectional, convectional, convectional rainfall. What is called as convectional rainfall? During summer, solar insolation takes place in land. During summer season, which season? During summer season, solar insolation takes place in land, and water which evaporates from lake, pond, seas, oceans and vegetations. What is happening? Insolation takes place in the land and water. Water evaporates from lake, pond, sea, ocean and vegetations. Due to this, a heavy rainfall with vegetation. Due to this, a heavy rainfall with lightning and thunder occurs in the evening for a short period. Due to this, what process is happening? Insolation takes place during the summer season. Insolation takes place in the summer season in land and water. Water evaporates from which places? Water evaporates from lakes, ponds, seas, oceans and vegetations. Due to this, a heavy rainfall with lightning and thunder occurs in the evening for a short period. For a very short period, because it is summer season, so rainfall and thunder, lightning or happens during only a short period of time. This is a first one. Warm moist air is forced to rise over high areas. Air cools and condenses forming clouds. Here the air cools and condenses forming clouds. Then rain shadow. It rains. It rains. Here air descends, warms and becomes drier. Okay, next one. Natural environment. What is natural environment? The natural materials and living things including sunlight are called natural environment. The natural materials and living things including sunlight are called natural environment. எல்லாம் சேர்ந்தது தான் natural environment. Next one. Orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall. What is mean by orographic rainfall? when the moisture laden winds from the sea rises as it moves over a large mountain. What they say? The moisture laden winds from the sea. From the sea, there is a moisture laden winds rises as it moves over a mountain range. It move agudhu. Okay, edu move agudhu? Wind from the sea. It becomes cool. Then it becomes cool and causes heavy rainfall. The opposite side of the mountain is called leeward side. The opposite side of the mountain is called leeward side. It receives very little rainfall. It receives only a little rainfall only. Okay, the opposite side receives only a little rainfall. The mountain side receives a heavy rainfall. Okay, first one, orographic rainfall. Define orographic rainfall. When the moisture laden winds from the sea rises as it moves over a mountain range, it becomes cool and causes heavy rainfall. Okay, it causes heavy rainfall. The opposite side of the mountain is called leeward side, and that side receives very little rainfall. That side receives only little rainfall. This side receives only very little rainfall. What is orographic rainfall? When the moisture laden winds from the sea rises as it moves over a mountain range like this, it becomes cool and causes rainfall. Like this, it causes rainfall. The opposite side of the mountain is called leeward side, and this side receives very little rainfall. Is called orographic rainfall. From first line to the last line, very little rainfall. It is a 2 mark question. 5th Roman letter, 4th 2 mark question. Mark it down on your page, book page number 184. Next one, cyclonic rainfall. The warm air from the hot area is heated and moves upwards. Hence, a low pressure area is developed and it attracts air from high pressure area. Owing to Earth's rotation, a circular motion of winds develop. It gets cooled and brings heavy rainfall. Which gives heavy rainfall? This is a cyclonic rainfall. Okay, this is a cyclonic rainfall. The warm air from the hot area, is heated and moves upwards. Hence, the low pressure area is developed. Due to this, low pressure area is developed and it attracts air from high pressure area. Owing to Earth's rotation, a circular motion of winds develop. It gets cooled and brings heavy rainfall. Next one, rainwater harvesting. What is this? It is rainwater harvesting. Here, rainwater harvesting occurs. Every utensils in the home are attached to this one. Okay, when the rainwater showers on this place, rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is a technique of collection and storage of rainwater into natural reservoirs or tank. It is a storage of rainwater in a tank or in the natural reservoirs, or the infiltration of surface water into subsurface aquifers before it is lost as surface turnoff. One method of rainwater harvesting is called rooftop harvesting. What is this? It is called rooftop harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is a technique of collection of storage of rainwater into natural reservoirs or tank, or the infiltration of surface water into subsurface aquifers. One method of rainwater harvesting is rooftop harvesting. This one is rooftop harvesting. The rainwater flows here, then it comes here, it stores in this tank. Okay, is called rainwater harvesting. Okay. Next one, glossary. Condensation. What is condensation? Process of gas changing to liquid. The process of gas changing to liquid is called condensation. It is called as condensation. Reservoir. What is reservoir? Reservoir means large lake. Reservoir means large lake. Vegetation. Vegetation means plant. What is vegetation? Plant. Condensation. Process of gas changing to liquid is called condensation. Reservoir, large lake. Vegetation, plant. What is vegetation? It's a plant. Recap. Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that can support life. What is biosphere? Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that can support our life. Second point, climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 300 years. Define climate is your 2 more question, right? What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years is called climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. Next one, book back exercises. Take page number 185. First one, fill in the blanks. First one, the atmosphere is divided into dash layers. Option 4, 5, 6, 7. Atmosphere consists of 5 layers. 5 layers. So the answer is 5. F-I-V-E. 5 layers. Next one. The earth receives heat energy from the option A, moon, B, Mars, C, sun, D, Venus. The earth receives heat energy from the sun. S-U-N, sun. Next one, third one, World Meteorological Day is celebrated on option A, March 20, March 21, March 22, March 23. The answer is March 23. M-A-R-C-H, March hyphen 23. World Meteorological Day is celebrated on March 23. Next one, fourth one, the study of weather is called dash. The study of weather is called meteorology, ecology, archaeology, sociology. The study of weather is called meteorology. The study of weather is called meteorology. Okay. Here is a World Meteorological Day, March 23. When it is celebrated? March 23. The study of weather is called meteorology. 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 Next one. Zone located in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is dash zone. Is called torrid zone. TORRID. Torrid zone. Zone located in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called torrid zone. Sixth one, dash is used to measure pressure in air. Here, the instrument which is used to measure the pressure of the wind is barometer. Page number 177 la irukku. Barometer. Option A barometer, B thermometer, anemometer, wind vane. The instrument which is used to measure pressure in the air is barometer. 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 Next one. Monsoon is derived from the dash word. It is derived from the Greek word. GREEK. Greek. Monsoon is derived from the Greek word. Vertical cloud is called as nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud, it is called as vertical cloud. Okay. So vertical cloud is called as nimbus cloud. NIMBUS. Nimbus clouds. 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 Nimbus clouds. Ninth one, dash clouds give convectional rainfall. Cumulus. 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 Option 3. Option C. Cumulus. Clouds gives convectional rainfall. Statement 1. The instrument used to measure wind direction in wind vane. Statement 2. Light travels faster than sound. The answer is option B. Statement 1 and 2 are true. This statement and this statement is true. Option B is the correct answer. Next one. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one. The instrument used to measure heat is thermometer. 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 Second one, the imaginary lines drawn parallel to the surface of the earth is dash. Answer is latitude. 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 Third one, sea breeze blows from dash in the evening. Sea breeze blows from sea to land. Sea. SEAC. To. TO2. Land. 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 Sea breeze blows from sea to land in the evening. Fourth one. Dash or rain clouds. Dash or rain clouds. Nimbus cloud is otherwise called as rain clouds. Nimbus clouds. Nimbus. Nimbus clouds. Clouds. Clouds are called rain clouds. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds do not give rain. Cirrus cloud do not give rain. Second one, stratus clouds. Stratus clouds, grey sheet. Stratus clouds, grey sheet. Third one, cumulus clouds, looks like puffy white cotton. Cumulus clouds looks like puffy white cotton. Fourth one, nimbus clouds, storm cloud. Nimbus cloud is called as storm cloud. First one, cirrus cloud do not give rain. Stratus cloud, grey sheet. Cumulus cloud looks like puffy white cotton. Fourth one, nimbus clouds, it is a storm cloud. It is a storm cloud. Next one, here the option is 2, 4, 1, 3. Next one, fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, all weather changes occur in the troposphere. True. Latitude and longitudes help us to locate a country. True. Third one, atmosphere gets heated by conduction than solar radiation. True. The main reason for the change of wind direction is to earth rotation. True. Cyclone moves in anti-clockwise direction. True. So the answer is true. All weather changes occur in troposphere. Yes. Latitude and longitudes help us to locate a country. Yes. Atmosphere gets heated by conduction than solar radiation. True. The main reason for the change of wind direction is to earth rotation. True. Cyclone moves in anti-clockwise direction. True. So answer the following we see in the in between classes. Last one, write a short note on orographic rainfall. It is in page number 184. This paragraph, first paragraph. This paragraph is a orographic rainfall. Answer 2 mark. Fifth Roman letter, fourth question. Page number 184. Okay, write about jet streams. Second one, explain the types of winds. Explain the types of winds. Mark down dears. First here, sixth Roman letter, second question, page number 179. Different types of wind is your side heading. Then you have to write planetary wind. This is also side heading. This wind blows in the same direction throughout the year. Next, monsoon wind. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic term mawsim, which means season. Monsoon wind is the seasonal wind. Okay. Types of wind. Types of monsoon winds in India are southwest monsoon wind, northeast monsoon wind. So you have to write from here to here. Then sea breeze. Next page, page number 180. This point, okay, this point and this point. Sea breeze. Sea breeze blows from sea to land in the evening. Next one, land breeze. Land breeze blows from land to sea in the morning. Next one, local wind. Local wind affects the weather. Warm local wind and cool local wind. Next, jet streams. Air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as jet streams. And the last one, cyclone, hurricane. Cyclone changes its position and direction with time to time. Okay, this is the last point. First point, you have to write planetary winds and this one point. Then you have to write monsoon wind and this points. Then sea breeze, and then you have to write this point. Land breeze and this point. Local wind, this point. Jet streams, this first line. Cyclone, hurricane, first line. Here is the end of the 6th Roman letter, second question. Students, tomorrow you have test on this lesson. Prepare well for your examination. Okay, this is the answer. Get ready for your tomorrow examination. Okay, dears. Thank you. Have a nice day.